How to set up nicknames for your Chase account. The first things first, you won't be able to do this via the Chase application, which means you really need to open up any preferred web browser on your end, whether it's going to be a device or on your laptop or PC. Just head straight into chase.com's official website, and in here, ensure to log in to your account using your username and password. And once you've successfully logged in, all you have to do next is to head straight into your account profile and then just go into account settings. Now under account settings, you should now then be able to see set up nicknames if you haven't set it up one, or you would be able to see current or existing nicknames that you already set up or just simply edit it. Take note that you can only change it into 20 characters maximum. That's basically it. It's how you set up nicknames on your Chase accounts.